the Chromecast with Google TV in white. Let's go. As ever, links will be down in the description box below. If you're after one of these, I've already got the Chromecast Ultra and the regular Chromecast from the previous generation, and I can't seem to get the cellophane off. It seems to be childproof. Now, here we go. So, opens up from the bottom, as easy as that, or not, depending on what you think. So, we've got the, what is wrong with me today? I can't even get stuff out of the box. So, yeah, instruction manual, and you've got USB type C to a USB type A connector. I do like the very minimalistic look of this hardware here. Whoa, that was a bit stiff there, wasn't it? Remote control we have here. So this should be, there we go, straightforward. Nothing else in there. Get rid of that. Did it really need to be in a kind of fabricy sleeve here? But hey, pure white. I like the color accented Google accent button here. YouTube, Netflix. And we've got the battery compartment here. Ooh, takes AAA batteries in the back here. The Chromecast itself, nothing in there. We can get rid of that. Again, some more fabricy sleeves here. Ooh, HDMI, pure white Google Chromecast with Android TV. Obviously HDMI port along this side. I almost forgot the batteries. Here they are. They do match the color of the remote control. So if you go for the pink one or the green one, you get green batteries with it. Let's be honest, I'm not going to read that, so I'm just going to move that to one side. And I also bought a Ethernet adapter for the Chromecast for Google TV. Very nice plain packaging. And I'll answer the question, well, why did you buy this when you can use what already comes out of the box in just 1 second? So we have, again, some sleeves there for, oh, that's just packaging. Right, let's get rid of this. And you're going to be wondering, well, what's the difference between this adapter and this adapter that comes out of the box with a Google Chromecast? Well, with this one, obviously both of them come with a USB type C connector. This one is plugged directly into the adapter, but as you can see, it's got an Ethernet port along the back of it, so you don't have to rely on Wi-Fi, whereas this one just plugs straight into the cable and you have to rely on Wi-Fi. That's the difference, and this costs 20 quid. As ever, links will be down in the description box below if you're after one of these. I always try to hardwire Ethernet cables in. Try not to rely on Wi-Fi, even though I have really good Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi congestion is a thing. The TV is plugged into this control box here, and on the side of it you can see some USB type A connectors, and you can see there we go. We've got all the HDMI connectors, and we've got some terrestrial aerial leads there. Who watches terrestrial TV anymore? We've got the power adapter here, and I'll just plug this into the Chromecast. And before I actually plug the power adapter into the socket here, I'm going to plug in the Ethernet lead here. I can now plug in this bad boy. The HDMI for the Chromecast will plug into the arc on the bottom of the control unit here. TV scanning for devices. It's picked it up and we'll select English UK. In the Google Home application, it's already found the Chromecast, so I'm going to hit next and we'll scan the QR code. Ethernet connection, baby. System update. Let's set up the remote. Yay!